That one I was like, I know there's room. This car is a lot.
I know, but like.
It's your go. This car is a lot more narrow. There's a stop sign, dude. Yeah. Fingered me.
Did he?
Yeah, he put it.
Not be like either weird or. Whoa! Right here! Get him! Hit him! We can eat it.
Holy fuck. Get off your fucking phone. Jesus Christ. Yeah, this is a super cute town.
Yeah.
Whoa, shit. I didn't see you turning left there.
Alright?
I thought it was my turn to go.
I think it was.
Wow, no fucking stop whatsoever. How's this guy driving in the middle of the fucking road? What the fuck is going on? Are you fucking stupid? That guy's flew through a red light. Awesome. Good driving.
Out of 10, people don't have a sip of it. In Shoal Lake 40, when the water treatment plant opened there, rest in peace to Stuart Red Sky. But when the water treatment plant
What the
opened
fuck
there,
are you doing?
The big splashy picture on the front of the newspaper.
Holy fuck, buddy. I was getting ready to fucking yeet my car there. Wow. Holy fuck. Good driving. Wow. This dude. Fucking sick. Flexing. Fucking clown. Look how far ahead this guy got of us too. Driving like a fucking douchebag. He's back there. That was a red light that guy just drove through. Why? Why did he do that? You fucking... There's a fucking line there, you clown.
Woman in charge of costuming handed out our uniforms and gave us a lecture on keeping things clean. She held up a calendar and said, "Ladies,
What
you
the
know
fuck
what this
are you
is,
doing?
use it. I have scraped enough blood out from the...
You trying to knock me down, you demolition spell, bruh, fell, bruh, fell, bruh. You better shut